thought Salah would go and score a hat-trick against Brighton. But so he's not, I didn't captain him. I made a mistake. I had Carl Walker and he's gone off injured, so I'm not having a good day, but we'll move on.
Speaking of great strikers, Clinton, there is a hope for Leeds United that Patrick Bamford might be back this afternoon. I mean, they could really do with that boost, couldn't they?
Yeah, definitely. He's been excellent for them. When he's fit, Patrick Bamford is the main man for Leeds. He can score goals, he holds the ball up, he's that key figure for them. So they do need him back because that's where they struggle to try and put the ball in the back of the net. I like them in the midfield, they're very strong. Out wide, the likes of Harrison, Sinisterra, very good players, but I just feel they're missing that focal point, someone to put the ball in the back of the net. So hopefully he is back this afternoon.
Vicky, the Leeds manager, might be watching from quite close to your commentary position.
I know, we've made space just in case Jesse Marsh wants to come and join us. Clinton's prepared to do a little interview midway through the first half, get his thoughts 20 minutes in. Yes, Jesse Marsh sent off in their last match, which was at the start of